Leatherman Signal, the compact size multi-tool for the Leatherman. This one made specially for the several situation or emergency situation. It has unique features such as the Ferro rods, knife sharpener, and the hammer and carabiner that you will not see on other Leatherman tool. So, and this one come with a nylon chest. It fits perfectly, but I think it's too small. Yeah, fit and full. Okay, let's see the tool one by one. The first tool is knife. This tool can operate by one hand. It has a lock too. This is a full size knife. It has a half stainless and half drop point, half stainless. Is the material is made from 420 HC. It's very durable. It can cut through everything, such as paper or even the wood. Okay, let's see. Now, take with the paper first. Okay, again. Okay, it's good. Now, let's test it with the wood. The knife of this Leatherman Signal is very sharp and very durable. It can cut through everything, even the wood. Let me show you. Work great. Okay, you will see the knife is very durable and it's very sharp. It can cut through the wood. Okay, let's keep it. Fold it back, put the lock here, and fold back by one hand. The other thing is the other tool, saw. The sharp, the saw knife, this is very sharp. The teeth is very sharp. So it's very slim and it's flexible. Yeah, you see, it's very flexible. It can cut through any wood easily. So let's test it. Let's test the saw of the Leatherman Signal. The first thing is lock the tool first with this. Okay, it's locked. Now for the saw. Okay, let's begin. Now you see the saw. It's very useful and can cut through any wood easily. Now fold it back, put it here, and fold back like this. One hand operates. And the next thing is the unique feature of this signal, carabiner and hammer. First thing is carabiner. This is very useful because you can hang on to your backpack or the molecule. It's up to you. And this one can use to stick out with your rope when you set up your tent like this. Okay, this is a rope. Slide it in, and you can use this to pull your rope like this. You can stick it easily. And the other thing is full size hexagon bit diver, quarter inch bit diver here. You can use with the hexagon bit diver. Yeah, it fits perfectly like this. And you can use it with a bit extender on the Leatherman. Yeah, very useful. And you can use it with a Leatherman bit kit set. Now it has locking mechanism. When you want to use your hammer or use your carabiner, you see this thing can fall out easily. So the Leatherman give you an option to the locking mechanism here. When you want to use hammer, just push the lock here. You see? Put it here. Push down like this. Now it's locked. It won't move. Good to have this lock when you want to use your hammer. And the hammer, very unique. And I really like this. I keep this in my EDC every day because I have situation that I need to use my hammer almost time. Almost every time I need to use this. Okay, you can hold it like this, but if you hold it like this when you use hammer, your hand may be slip and you can hurt your hand. So I recommend you to use this way. Hold it like this at the top and push it. Use your hammer like this. So let's test the hammer. The tool that I really like this Leatherman Signal over the other tool is the hammer. I never see any other multi-tool to have the hammer like this one. So let me demonstrate this. Little nail over here and work great. You see it's very useful. So let's move on to the other tool. The other tool I will talk first is as diamond sharpener. When you want to use this, just put it here. It's locked. Push here and slide back. Now you have the diamond sharpener. It's very small, but in your survival situation or emergency situation that your knife become dull or damaged, you can use this to sharpen it. Very easy. So it's very useful despite it's small, but it's good if you have this sharpener with you when you are outdoor or emergency situation. Very cool. When you want to keep it like this. Put in and slide. Now it's locked. And this is a belt clip. You can keep it to your backpack or your wallet clip. And the other feature is Ferro rod with the emergency piston. Now let's test it. When you want to use this, unlock it here. Slide it and pull out. You will have the emergency piston, this side, and the ferro rod. Let's test the ferro rod first. I will use the saw to slide the rod. Okay, let's test it. Hold it out like this and again. Very useful. The spark is very bright and very hot. I think you can start your fire even it's a rainy day or some place has a high moisture or high water. But a little bit concern for me is here. You see the two plastic here on the ferro rod. Okay, it's due to hold the ferro rod here, but sometimes when I start the ferro rod, I hit this plastic. So I need to be careful when you use this and don't hit the plastic like this. Okay, take the fall first. And now get the ferro rod. When you want to get your ferro rods, just put it here like this and put it. Now it's locked. Very good. Okay. The main feature of this signal And all Leatherman is plier. The tip of this is the node plier and the regular plier on the middle. The cut is very straight and it's quite sharp. And this one is a replayable wire cutter. When you want to use this, and when sometimes your wire cutter is due out, just change it. Very useful. Now let's test it. The first thing is wire, metal wire. Cut easily. The other one is big metal wire. Cut easily too. And the plier is easy to use. Very easy to use. Very useful. I really like this plier. It's very durable and comfort to hold. Very convenient to hold. It has a good ergonomic. Okay. The other tool is hidden here. This one, this side has a T tool. It has a lock. The first thing is bit diver, can and button opener, arm and threader, and this one can use it as a wire stripper. This tool is a standard equipment for almost all Leatherman. You can see it every day. Every Leatherman tool have this. So fold it back, and this is a bit kit. The standard bit kit with that comes with a Leatherman Signal is here. Flat head screwdriver and flip head screwdriver. You can use it with a Leatherman bit kit set or this set and bit extender. You can use it like this. Okay, put it like this and slide in. Now it's locked. Don't fall easily because this is a magnet. Very useful. And when you want to use your bit diver, okay, let's set it out first. Slide it like this. When you want to use, just push it here. And it's a center right now. Yeah, use this way, or you can use this way. Use as a T-bar like this. When you want to have more torque, when you use your bit diver. Very useful as a T-bar. I really like this. And this one has a locking mechanism here. When you want to unlock, just push this and fold it back. Very useful. And when you keep your tool, don't forget to lock it first. It will not fall out when you carry it. Overall, this is a very good tool for your EDC because it has almost all tools you need for your everyday life, except some scissors that's not having this tool. And it's very compact design. It's very slim compared to my search or my web. It's very compact design and it's very durable. It's not dragging at all. And just some drawback, only this thing. Only plastic on the Ferro rods. And everything is perfect, almost flawless. Will I recommend this tool? Yes. If you want to EDC your multi-tool, this one may be your first tool because it's compact design. And if you are the hiker or go on the camping and go into the forest often, this one I recommend for you. It has all tools you need. Very durable, very useful. I like it, and I recommend to all of you that want the tool that has all function and several situation. Very unique design, and the waist. Okay, I almost forget the waist. The waist is only 213 grams. Very, very lightweight. Okay, this is the good tool for you. For your emergency situation, several situation, this is perfect tool for you. Very good.